Your hairstyle is an important aspect of your style. People begin forming opinion about you just by the type of hairstyle that you sport. If you want your hairstyle to be impeccable, and if you want your hair to stay on your head for a longer period of time, here are 5 hair and hairstyling mistakes that you should avoid. Alright gentlemen, welcome to Men and More, and in this video you're going to learn 5 hair and hairstyling mistakes that most men do and don't even realize. Mistake number 1. Washing your hair too often. When you wash your hair too often, you wash out all the natural oils that your scalp produces. These oils are essential for your hair to grow and feel nourished. So avoid using strong shampoos that are loaded with chemicals and have a negative impact on your hair. Mistake number 2. Not using a hair conditioner. See guys, your hair needs nourishment. If you want your hair to stay on your head for a longer period of time, and if you want to fight off hair loss, you have to nourish your hair. And a hair conditioner helps you get that. Many men think hair conditioner is only reserved for the ladies. It's not true. Even you as a guy should start using hair conditioner starting from today. Mistake number 3. Not towel drying your hair properly. When you get out of the shower, it is a time when your hair is most fragile and bound to break easily. When you start towel drying your hair rigorously and aggressively, you're breaking your hair and causing more damage than it could normally receive. So pat dry your hair and start using a hair dryer or a hair blower to dry your hair. Mistake number 4. Using excessive hair products. Okay, I understand that you want hair products to style the hair according to your liking, according to your preference. But these hair products are loaded with chemicals. They are not at all healthy for your hair and would cause major setbacks in your hair game down the line. So start using hair products that contain less chemicals or are at least natural, like beeswax. And also start using hair products sparingly and sporadically. You don't have to use it on every other day. Mistake number 5 guys, not knowing your hair type. It surprises me that most men don't realize what their hair type is like. For example, I have thick hair and I know what kind of hairstyle I should be sporting and what kind of products that I should be using. So identify what your hair type is like and start styling them accordingly. There are so many products out there that complement certain type of hair type. Alright gentlemen, I hope that you learned something new today and I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. For more fashion, hairstyle and grooming videos, don't forget to subscribe Men and More. Until next time, keep hustling.